Let's make some jumbo pizza. Today we are making a jumbo pizza. So I'm starting out by stretching out the dough with my hands and finger using my technique. So I work at an Italian restaurant, so I'm going to stretch out the pizza dough using my hands and fingers, and I'm going to create a jumbo dough playing around with my pizza. So remember, you need to give the pizza love and show it a lot of love while you are stretching it. So I'm just going to put oil on my pizza tray so that the dough does not stick or the pizza does not stick, and then I'm going to lay it out with my hands on the pizza and my fingers playing around, and then I'm going to create some holes so that the pizza does not come out raising like a whole big cake. And then I'm going to put in some tomato pizza sauce as my base. Some people put first the cheese and after the tomato, but this is the way I'm trained in the Italian restaurant on how to do the pizza. And then I'm going in with my pepperoni pizza. So I am doing an all dress, that's how we call it here. All dress is pepperoni, mushroom, green pepper, and mozzarella cheese. So I'm just laying out the pepperoni all around the pizza. Sorry, at this point I didn't position the phone very well, so I had to shift it so that you guys can see how I'm laying out the pepperoni. Then I'm going through with the mushroom as my second base on the pizza, and then my phone keeps on disturbing me. And then I'm going on with the mozzarella cheese as the second final step. Just look how that beautiful pizza look already, just laying down all those toppings. Then the final touch, I'm going in with green peppers all around. This pizza sells very well, and then I'm putting it in the pizza oven for 5 minutes on the degrees of 510 degrees. Voila! So that is my pizza. Now it is out. Look how beautiful that pizza looks. A lucky customer. Remember to always make any food you are making with love, and please do subscribe, like, and share my video with your loved ones, and remember to enjoy your shift wherever you find yourself. And now I'm going to cut it into 8 slices. When they're eating it inside, I'm cutting it in 8 slices. So let me know, guys, if this recipe was helpful to you, and now you know how we make your pizzas, or if you're planning to work in a restaurant. So that's it. That's how you make a large jumbo pizza. Take care of yourselves and remember to love one another wherever you find yourself. I'm sending you all love and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao ciao.